Welcome to our channel. I'm Martina. And I'm Shabrina. And today we're going to do an Ulta haul. Everything we got from the 21 Days of Beauty sale and the fall haul sale that's going on right now. Okay, first we're going to start off with a little body care that we got. So first we have the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Body Lotion in a scent Cooling Cucumber. And it's lightweight, daily hydration, and also a skin protectant. So we got that. Next we have the JANEIRO number 76 perfume spray. Yes. This is our first time trying this, so we're excited to try that. We have some of the other ones, but we're excited for this one. Yeah. Okay, next we have some TOUCHLAND hand sanitizers. It's our first time trying these. We have 3 scents. We have the Wild Watermelon one. We have the Berry Bliss one. And we have the Vanilla Blossom. Okay, and okay, next we have some CETAPHIL Gentle Makeup Removing Wipes. It's actually our first time trying these makeup remover wipes. It's a pack of 25. Like that. Then next we have some foundation. We have the LANCOME Tint IDOLE Ultra Wear. We have the color 450W. And we have some Tarte Shape Tape Stay Spray, the 16-hour setting spray from Tarte. Okay, next we have a nail polish, the China Glaze one. This is the color Rose Among Thorns. It's a pretty pink color we like. Okay, next we have some lips. We have 2 of the JUVIA'S Magic Lip Oils. Okay, we have the blueberries one and the watermelon one. I'm gonna open these up and show you this. That's the blueberries. This is the watermelon. We decided to try these. We've never tried a JUVIA'S lip product before. So. And next we have the e.l.f. Squeeze Me More Lip Duo. This is our first time trying this as well from e.l.f. It's in mango and watermelon. They're new lip balms. Duo. Okay, next we just have some basic cotton balls, 200 count. Yeah. And another lip product, we have the Tree Hut Sugar Lips Lip Scrub. It's in the scent mint, sweet mint. Yeah, we're excited to try this whenever this lip scrub. We wanted to see how that does. Okay, next we have 2 fragrances. We actually tried the Ralph Lauren Romance scent. We just tried the travel size for now to see if we like it. It's just the 0.34 fluid ounce. This is travel spray. Travel spray. Get it out of here. Okay. And then next we have the Ariana Grande Goddess of Woman perfume. This is the 3.4 fluid ounces. And this is our first time trying this as well. We didn't smell it before we bought it. But this is how it looks. I'm just give this a whirl. That smells decent. That's a fruity floral scent to it. Yeah. That does smell decent. Yeah, it smells like, yeah, fruity floral. So that's that. I think this concludes our Ulta haul. This is the Ulta 21 Days of Beauty sale and the Ulta Fall Haul sale, which is actually going on right now still. And be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you all for watching the video, and see you guys in the next one.